Glass Skin Facial with only 3 natural ingredients. How to get flawless glowing skin. Achieving flawless, glowing skin reminiscent of the coveted glass skin trend doesn't have to involve a myriad of products. In fact, you can achieve remarkable results using just 3 natural ingredients that are gentle yet effective. Here's a step-by-step guide to achieving glass skin using these simple elements. 1. Green tea. Green tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, making it ideal for soothing and rejuvenating the skin. DIY facial toner. Brew a cup of green tea and let it cool completely. Pour the cooled tea into a spray bottle. Spritz the green tea onto cleansed skin or apply it using a cotton pad. As a toner, green tea helps to reduce redness, tighten pores, and brighten the complexion, giving you a smooth base for the glass skin effect. 2. Rose water. Rose water is renowned for its hydrating and toning properties, making it a perfect addition to your glass skin routine. DIY hydrating mist. Mix equal parts of rose water and distilled water in a spray bottle. Shake well and spray onto your face throughout the day to keep your skin hydrated and refreshed. Rose water also helps to maintain the skin's pH balance and reduces excess oil, promoting a dewy, radiant look. 3. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a soothing and moisturizing agent that enhances skin elasticity and promotes a youthful appearance. DIY overnight mask. Extract fresh aloe vera gel from an aloe leaf. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel to your cleansed face before bedtime. Leave it on overnight to allow the gel to deeply moisturize and heal your skin. Aloe vera gel helps to repair damaged skin cells and boosts collagen production, contributing to a smoother and more even complexion. Tips for effective application. Consistency is key. Use these natural treatments consistently to see visible results over time. Patch test. Perform a patch test before applying any new ingredient to ensure you don't have any adverse reactions. Hydration. Drink plenty of water and maintain a healthy diet to support your skin's natural radiance from within. By incorporating these 3 natural ingredients into your skincare routine, you can achieve the coveted glass skin effect naturally and affordably. Embrace simplicity and let your skin glow with health and radiance.